welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen and I'm the face behind Essentially Spoiled here on YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about essential oils for an active lifestyle. It's actually a class that I do, and I thought it would be fun to do a YouTube video where I share how you can use essential oils if you're active, if you run, if you work out every day, if you're looking to be more healthy. There are essential oils that you can use that will help you on your journey. So I wanted to share a little bit about the oils that I like and other products that I use from doTERRA that will help you stay healthy and live that active lifestyle. So the first thing we know is that staying active does so many things, right? It helps your body become stronger, it gives you more energy, it boosts your mood. There's so many things that being active does. So as you are more active and you're pushing your body to its limits, you run the risk of potentially causing injury. It happens with everyone. It's always something that can occur and you have to be aware of. Using essential oils and supplements will help restore the body and give the energy and the nutrients to the cells so that you can recover after, so that you can survive those tough workouts, and so that your body can improve and grow as you are working towards whatever your goal is. Maybe it's weight loss, maybe it's building muscle, and maybe it's just being healthy. You don't even look at the scale. So there's three ways that you can use essential oils. You can use them aromatically, so you can diffuse them in a diffuser. You can cup them, put some in your hands, rub them together, and cup them over your nose so that you get the benefits via inhalation. Using oils aromatically can elicit powerful cognitive, physiological, mental, and emotional responses. So inhaling them in that way, using the diffuser, using your hands, that is a great way to get them into your system and help boost your mood and help get you ready for that workout. The chemical compounds in essential oils allow them to be readily absorbed into your body and enter the bloodstream, and thereby getting into those cells a lot quicker and a lot easier. Some essential oils can be applied what we call neat, which means directly to the skin, and some needs to be diluted with a type of carrier oil, so like fractionated coconut oil. For example, I have the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil here. This is just a liquid form of coconut oil. You can mix your essential oils with the coconut oil and make a massage blend to use on your muscles, to use topically. You can also take some oils internally to help support your body, and we'll talk a little bit about the different oils that you can use internally to help restore your cells, to help your muscles recover, to help your body recover. And ingesting essential oils is, of course, the most potent method, the way to get into your system the quickest. So you'll want to be aware of labels, making sure that you understand which oils that you can take internally, which ones you don't want to take internally. And that's made very clear with the doTERRA system of labeling. So you'll always know what oils you should and should not take internally. So why quality matters? I actually get asked this all the time. You know, what's the difference between oils from doTERRA and oils from, say, a wholesale store or a natural food store? And the biggest thing is, how are they tested? For an essential oil to be therapeutic and superior in grade, it needs to go through rigorous testing. It needs to be tested, certified that it's pure, potent, there's no fillers, there's no heavy metals, that there's nothing, no chemicals, anything extra in there, that is 100% pure oils. And because there's nothing regulating essential oils, companies can just say, hey, this oil is 100% pure. I've seen it at the grocery store, but you don't know where it's sourced, you don't know if it's been tested, and you don't know if it's safe to ingest or put on your body. I've seen peppermint oil at the grocery store that says do not ingest. Well, doTERRA peppermint oil you can ingest, you can use it topically, and you can use it aromatically. It's peppermint, it's supposed to be a natural plant. Why wouldn't you be able to ingest it unless they're adding something to it or the sourcing is questionable? So that's number one. Number two, authenticity means that the composition equals the plant that's specified on the bottle. So you know you're getting peppermint when you get peppermint from doTERRA. You may be getting a peppermint flavoring if you buy an oil from, say, a dollar store. And you're lucky if that's all it is. There could be other chemicals in there. Genuine is equivalent to the term unadulterated, and meaning the oil is 100% natural. Sourcing is key. You want your plants to be grown in their natural habitat. So I always say, and I heard someone say this before, a pineapple grown in North Carolina is not going to taste the same as a pineapple grown in Hawaii. You want that pineapple from Hawaii because that's where it's indigenous. Growing the plant or the herb or the tree in its natural habitat also affects the potency. The more natural it's grown, the surroundings and the circumstances, the more potent the oil is. So let's talk a little bit about supplements. So for me, I love the Lifelong Vitality Pack. In here you have your Alpha CRS, which is like your multivitamin, your XC Omega, which is your omega that is going to help with the hair, skin, and nails, and a Microplex VMZ, which is the food nutrient complex. These vitamins come pre-packaged just like this. I take 2 of these a day, super easy. I have other supplements that I take as well, but the great thing with these vitamins is that they provide general wellness and vitality, antioxidant, DNA protection, energy, metabolism, bone health, immune function, stress management, cardiovascular health, healthy hair, skin, and nails, eye, brain, and nervous system, liver function and digestive health, lung and respiratory health, gentle on the stomach, and they do not contain any genetically modified material, and they're dairy-free, which is key for someone like me who's lactose intolerant. I find that I don't have any issues with my tummy when I use these. I love them. The energy that I have is so, like, I can go an entire day. What I do is I take one in the morning with breakfast, I take another pack at lunch, and I find that I have enough energy to survive the day at work. Without them, though, I'm dragging. And I know that for a fact because there have been days that I didn't have them with me, that I've forgotten them, and I literally just wanted to pass out at like 2 o'clock when I hit that 2 o'clock brick wall. So these are a key staple. I get them every month. I always make sure that I have the Lifelong Vitality on hand. Another thing that we want to manage when we're active is inflammation. So inflammation is the way our body responds to anything that the body considers harmful. Whether it's acute or chronic, the pain that inflammation causes really affects our bodies and can affect our mood. So the Lifelong Vitality supplements contain many anti-inflammatory properties, including turmeric root extract, boswellia, serrata extract, and fish oil. Along with basic vitality supplements, the Lifelong Vitality, there's essential oils that can support inflammation. We're going to talk a little bit about those now. So wintergreen and birch soothe aches and pains. These oils can be used in a massage blend to help to massage into the body and to create a cooling and calming sensation. Also smells really great, so it's going to boost your mood. Aroma Touch, our massage blend, is another great oil you can mix with a little fractionated coconut oil and massage into inflamed muscles anywhere there's tension or pain that you're feeling. And of course, Deep Blue. I couldn't live without Deep Blue, even if I don't have inflammation. I love to put a little on the back of my neck. It helps me fall asleep at night. Put it on the bottom of my feet before I work out. And anytime I have sore muscles, I'm reaching for my Deep Blue rub. You also can get the Deep Blue essential oil and make your own massage blend, again with the coconut oil. And there's so many ways that you can incorporate Deep Blue into your routine. So being active, it's obvious that you want to exercise. Aside from being healthy internally, exercise is key. 7 benefits of regular exercise include controlling and maintaining weight, burning those calories, being active, celebrating what your body can do. That's important. Exercise also combats health conditions and diseases. So staying active, getting that cardiovascular activity can help keep your heart healthy. It's also been proven that exercise improves your mood. I know that in the morning when I first get out of bed, I'm like, I do not want to work out. But once I put those shoes on and I hit the gym, I feel so much better. And I'm so proud of myself for actually lacing up my shoes and getting out there and getting the activity done. Interestingly, and something that it seems counterintuitive, but exercise improves your energy. So if I work out in the morning before I go to work, I find I have enough energy to get through the entire day. Also promotes better sleep. So when I work out, I find that that night when I go to bed, I just pass out, zonk out, sleep like a baby. Love it. Exercise also improves self-confidence. You know, you're building your body, you're maybe losing weight, you're being active and healthy, and you feel better about yourself. I know that when I'm not active or if I miss the gym workout like I did today, I'm hard on myself, and that's not good for the mental state. And of course, exercise reduces stress. A proven fact, can't say enough how much better I feel if I run to the gym and just do even 20 minutes on the elliptical or go for a quick walk. So some pre-exercise things that you can do. Number one, I like to use the Mito 2 Max, which is the energy and stamina complex. I'll take one of these about 15 to 20 minutes before I'm going to go work out, and it provides natural sustained energy so that I can get through my workout. And I find that once I'm in there and I'm going, this kicks in and I get through it and I'm in a great mood and everything's wonderful and I breeze through the workout and actually push myself a little harder. This is a blend of herbs and extracts with energy cofactors made to increase overall energy while decreasing stress response due to physical activity in daily life. And I have to read that because honestly, that's important information that you need to know that I probably couldn't memorize. This gives an extra energy boost, supports positive mood, supports aerobic capacity, and improves stamina naturally without the use of harmful stimulants. So how many energy and stamina supplements do you know of that have those stimulants in it that make your heart race, that make you feel jittery? This will not do that. And I have natural sustained energy. It doesn't crash, so you're good to go for your entire workout and throughout the day. There's no, after 2 hours after you take it, you're going to crash. During exercise, something I like to do is have a little peppermint oil with me, and I like to keep it in a little guy like this so that I can maybe take it to the gym with me, maybe stick it in my little zipper pocket on my pants, have it with me, put a little in my hand, rub them together, and inhale that wonderful aroma. The refreshing scent, aroma, feeling of peppermint will boost your senses and help promote an energetic effect that will get you through that workout. After you work out, the next thing you want is some sort of recovery. So you can create a meal replacement shake with the Slim and Sassy chocolate, or I believe there's a vanilla meal replacement supplement. It provides a low-fat, low-calorie, high-protein, high-fiber, nutrient-rich, lean alternative for people who are looking to lose a little weight, lose fat, maintain lean body composition through calorie reduction and exercise. So you can drink this to supplement your exercise efforts, to prevent loss of muscle mass and tone, and to enhance energy levels. It's really great too because it tastes really good. You can, and I'm going to share a little recipe with you for a delicious peanut butter shake. And again, we mentioned the soothing blend, the deep blue. You can put a little bit of this on post-workout to help those muscles recover and help prevent any inflammation or painful cramping or any feelings that you might feel if you did an exceptionally hard workout. There's a couple cool recipes that I wanted to share with you, and the first one is a sanitizing spray. How many times do you go to a yoga class or to any class where they provide mats, but you don't know who's touched that mat? And even your own mat you want to clean regularly. So you can create a mat sanitizing spray using just a glass spray bottle, half a cup of water, and 2 to 6 drops of OnGuard. And OnGuard is the protective blend, and this is going to keep all the nasty germs away and keep your body safe from those external attackers, I like to call them. You add these to the glass spray bottle, and each time you use it, you want to shake really well and then spray on your yoga mat or your workout mat. You also can use it on the hand weights and any other workout equipment in the gym, and it smells really good. It smells like cinnamon. So I mentioned the smoothie that you can use post-workout, and the recipe for the peanut butter heaven protein shake, I'm going to put it in the description box below. But basically, it's a scoop of the Slim and Sassy meal replacement powder, 3/4 cup vanilla almond milk or any other non-fat milk. Cashew milk's good. Non-fat milk is fine if you're not lactose intolerant like some people. And then you're going to take a teaspoon of natural peanut butter, half a banana, a cup of ice, and then mix in a blender until creamy and smooth. So those are some really great ways that you can support an active lifestyle using essential oils. So now your next question might be, well, how do I get these oils in my home? Well, that's easy too. The best way to get the oils in your home is to get a wholesale membership. This is going to give you 25% off discount of the retail pricing of your oils, supplements, and anything else that you'd like to try from doTERRA. There's only a $35 membership fee, but that fee can be waived if you get an enrollment kit. You definitely want to participate in the loyalty rewards program offered by doTERRA. It's very generous, and you can earn free product just by making your regular purchases. I earn free product just because I order this every month, and I order my Mito 2 Max, and I order my TerraZyme. There are things that I order every month that's going to provide me with the points back so I can get additional free product. And of course, if you share doTERRA with others, you can get your oils paid for like I do. So there's so many ways that you can get oils into your home easily, cost effectively. And if you really think about it, you know, with the quality and the testing and the potency that you know you're getting from doTERRA, it's worth every penny to have a natural option to support your healthy lifestyle. I hope you found that helpful and that you learned some really good information today. Be sure to share in the comments below if you have any recipes or what oils you like to use. We want to share and learn from each other. I love that. Also, if you're interested in learning more about oils, I will have some links down below that you can look at. I'll also link some of my favorite enrollment kits so that if you want to sign up, you can. The only thing I ask is that you send me an email and let me know that you signed up so that you can get your freebies. Everyone who enrolls with me gets a quick reference guide, get some rollerball bottles so you can create your own blends, and little travel cases so that you can carry your oils with you. So make sure you let me know if you enroll. And of course, if you have any questions, always reach out to me. I'll be glad to set up some one-on-one time to talk further. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my channels, please be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified of when I upload new videos, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.